Your portions in life and destiny are delivered. Your portion in life and purpose and destiny are received. Your purpose in life and destiny, your glory, they are manifested. Shout, I manifest. You're going to shout that 7 times. Then the 8th time you're going to shout glory. You will make that glory resound. You will shout it until something inside of you breaks. Shall we go? 1, 2, go. Shout glory.
Sounds of my spirit. Oh.